When we look at the wild week here in crypto, really the wild month here in crypto, XRP comes out on top. They have absolutely dominated here in the last month comparatively to everything else in the cryptocurrency market. And when we looked at the most staked asset on BitTrue, a huge platform, XRP dominating that space. And if we take a look at the global cryptocurrency market right now across the board, XRP is one of the only cryptos actually up here in the last 24 hours, along with Dogecoin. Right now, XRP, one of the only cryptos up in the last 7 days. You could see up 3% still, sitting at 53 cents. It quickly recovered on some bad news that we had in this past week. It's actually pretty much recovered all of its losses that we saw back just 4 days ago. So why? What's happening? What's going on with XRP? And why are so many people running into it right now, both whales and retail investors? Well, we're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about how it's the most staked asset on BitTrue, give some updates there on all that front. Make sure you guys stick around till the end of the video because we've got some good information throughout here, and appreciate you guys as always as we await this lawsuit to end. XRP right now is BitTrue's biggest staked asset. XRP has emerged as the most staked asset on BitTrue's Power Piggy, a crypto staking investment product where users earn passive income. Through the official announcement, BitTrue noted that XRP, XDC, and Bitcoin emerged as the top 3 for various reasons. And why is XRP ticking? Why is it going up? Well, of course, it's deemed a game changer in the global financial system. Let's start there because we haven't really talked about that quite much in the last week or so. The use case, right? XRP has arguably the strongest use case in all of crypto, right? Being the best way to transfer money globally, the fastest, way better than the archaic SWIFT system. And it's seeking right now to make international transactions more accessible for everybody, faster for everybody, and more affordable, cheaper for everybody, thanks to its decentralized blockchain tech that facilitates near instantaneous transfers. So, of course, we're living in a global economy. Global money transfers are associated with high fees usually, but XRP is viewed as very cost-effective compared to the other options out there. And XRP's adoption recently got a boost after Uphold, a U.S.-based financial platform, partnered with XUMM for users to easily purchase the crypto asset using debit or credit cards. So this also helping the demand. Meanwhile, XRP's remarkable run has not gone unnoticed, given that a recent report by Crypto.com revealed that the coin was the best performing crypto asset with an impressive 13% month-over-month surge. Meanwhile, everything else has tumbled. Nevertheless, market analyst Ali believes caution should not be thrown to the wind because XRP's social volume is at its highest point in 3 months. He noted that even though XRP showed signs of strength, its high social media mentions would be detrimental to its price. XRP is up by 1.68% in the past 24 hours and still sitting above 53 cents right now. We just need the lawsuit to end. We need to get any clarity there. And I've gone on record. I think it's going to be kind of a interesting way. This is my prediction. My prediction is nobody's really going to fully win or lose, but it's going to be a good thing for XRP. I think they're going to have to pay some type of fine, and they're going to be able to operate in the United States. And they're going to have to abide by some certain rules and regulations. And I don't think there's going to be a clear winner or loser here per se, but I don't think the United States is going to let this innovative tech go elsewhere. I think it's going to be a good thing for XRP and the price. I think right out of the gate, XRP will get over $1, right? Basically doubling in price, I think, is a surefire bet, in my opinion, right? I'm just a talking head on YouTube, not financial advice, but that's my opinion, okay? We'll see. We'll see. But the value here that Ripple provides, unlike any other, and I think more and more investors right now are seeing this, and it's dominating both the retail side and the institutional side. And now we're seeing it as a most staked crypto. So people believing in the longevity and the long-term future of XRP, which I think is a good idea. If you guys want to trade cryptocurrencies, my Bybit link's down below as well. Appreciate you guys as always. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Have a fantastic weekend. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.